Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this V-Part wig by Shine Wig hair. The hair is actually giving me life. The hair came in this gorgeous packaging, and the packaging came with loads of amazing goodies. I'm going to show you guys how I install the hair, and yep, stay tuned. So this is what the packaging looks like, and the packaging comes with an eyelashes, it comes with a wig cap, it comes with a wig grip, and it also comes with a dust bag, a pink dust bag, which is handy in case you want to store your hair after wearing your hair. And yep, this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. The curls straight out of the box are popping. Look at that. The hair is really full, and I love the fact that the hair is also true to length. And yeah, the construction of the cap is really neat and sleek, as you guys can tell. It also comes with an extra elastic band for extra security, and it has clips around the edge of it for you to secure your hair, and also one in the middle of the cap as well. And it also comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, so you are rest assured that the wig is going nowhere, guys. It's going nowhere. So what I'm basically doing in this section is just sectioning my hair, the areas where I'm going to leave out for the wig. Depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can decide not to do any leave out at all. But in this video, I showed you guys how to do the hair or install the hair with a leave out. As you can tell, I undo the clips and then just clip on the hair on my natural hair. And bear in mind that you can actually go for center part, side part, or middle part. So yeah, you don't have to do center part just like I did, but yeah, like that. The hair is going nowhere. The hair is going nowhere. So what I basically did was undo the hair and then lay the hair on the wig just to cover the tracks, which I didn't see anyway even before doing that. So yep, I sprayed water on the hair and then applied mousse on the hair to define the curls more. But as I said, it depends on you. It depends on the look you're going for. If you want that big hair don't care type of look, you don't have to wet the hair. But for this look, I was going for wet curls, and yep, as you guys can tell, the curls are popping, like popping. Look at that. I love the fact that you can actually manipulate this hair as you want. So if you're tired of wearing the curls the way it came in the box, you can actually use your fingers to define the curls more. So yeah, that's what I'm showing you guys right now. So it's never a dull moment with this wig. I love the core pattern of the wig, and I love the versatility of the hair as well. So yep, it's very easy, very straightforward, very simple to install. I love the quality of the hair as well. And you can also decide to put the hair back. You see a few of the options that you could go for with this hair. I showed you guys after this section. So style as you like, style as you desire. Look at that. Look at those curls, guys. They are popping. That's the finished look, guys. I really enjoyed installing this hair and styling it. And yeah, stay tuned for my review and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. Look at that. That's when the hair is dried and the volume of the hair is just wow, amazing. So voluminous, very full. And yeah, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this V-Part wig by Shine Wig hair. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the curls were popping. Straight out of the box, I looked at the curls and I was like, wow. The curls were popping. I love the curl pattern of this hair straight out of the box, and I love the fact that This wig actually comes with an elastic strap and elastic band as well. So in case you want extra security, then you can actually use the elastic band included in the construction of the cap as well. I love the quality of the hair. It's very soft, and there has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all. You guys can tell, no shedding, no tangling. I really love the quality of this hair. The quality of the hair is just fantastic in my opinion, because I have been running my hands through the hair and I didn't experience any shedding whatsoever, and the hair is super duper soft and very full and silky to touch. Look at that. The hair is almost dried. It's about 70% dried, and you know, the curls are still popping, same as when I actually wet the hair. Look at the front of the hair. Look, I finger curled some of the hair at the front just to show you guys how you can manipulate these curls depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. If you want that big hair don't care kind of look, then you just have to use your fingers to brush out the curls. You get that, you know, Dana Ross type of look. If you want that wet curls kind of look, then you can actually, you know, apply your mousse to the hair and, you know, define the curls more if that's the look you're going for. I love how full the hair is, and look at that, very soft. Really loving how soft this hair is. Look at that. I didn't experience any shedding. Look at that. No tangling whatsoever. And I also love the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it. So if you want, as I mentioned earlier, if you want that full type of look, then feel free to use your finger to brush out the curls and give it that voluminous look. But I love it the way it is right now, and I'm going to show you guys the back of the hair in a bit. But yeah, if you guys don't know Shine Wig Hair, Shine Wig Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have all types of hair texture length on their website. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 5 days to get in the UK, which is really amazing in my opinion. Just like me, I'm sure everyone else are always looking forward to, you know, what you purchase online, and the fact that you get it quick and, you know, prompt is just one of the amazing things I love about the brand. And in terms of the construction of the cap, I really love the construction of the cap. The construction of the cap is really neat, and it gives that professional look to the hair. I love the fact that they included extra elastic bands just for more security and assurance. As you guys can tell, you can barely tell if I am wearing a wig or if this is actually my natural hair. So if you're the type that actually have short hair like me, or if you're the type that like wearing protective style because you don't want to, you know, keep doing your hair every now and then, it just needs a protective style, then I would definitely recommend this wig because it gives me that vibes of my hair, but you know, longer and fuller. That's the vibe I'm getting from this hair. It gives that natural hair look, but that's the vibe I'm getting from this hair, because look at those curls, guys. You can barely tell the wig. And yeah, I love the fact that the hair is not bulky and is very lightweight on the head, and the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it as well. So I really recommend this hair. Absolutely, I'll definitely recommend Shine Hair based on the fact that in terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install this hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely a plus for me. I'll definitely recommend that you guys check out Shine Wig Hair for all your amazing quality hair at affordable prices. So yeah, so that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.